My name is Jocelyn Lee, and I am honored to share my chapter from Where Wisdom Meets Aspiration. Chapter 15, Bridging Care, Courage, and Leadership Across Continents. Jocelyn Lee. Healing Beyond Borders. Jocelyn Lee shares a heartfelt reflection on her leadership journey, one that spans continents, cultures, and causes. As a certified medical provider with over 17 years of experience, Jocelyn has worked across the United States, Switzerland, Japan, and Africa, using her expertise in healthcare to build bridges of compassion and impact. Her story is rooted in courage, the courage to start anew, to learn as she goes, and to lead with purpose. Having practiced medicine in diverse environments, Jocelyn witnessed firsthand the disparities in access to care, particularly among underserved communities in Africa. This experience sparked a deep calling within her to move beyond clinical care and address systemic healthcare gaps. With no formal business training, but an unshakable belief in her vision, she founded a medical NGO dedicated to bringing sustainable, preventative, and primary healthcare to remote communities. The organization's work has already made a significant difference. Reached over 1,000 adolescent girls in the past year through menstrual hygiene and cervical cancer education programs. Treated and cared for more than 700 patients during medical outreaches. Trained medical providers from 8 Nigerian states in evidence-based practice areas including pediatrics, antibiotic stewardship, mental health, and art-based medicine. These milestones reflect Jocelyn's conviction that empowerment begins with education and collaboration. But the journey was far from easy. I had no idea where to start, no business background, just passion, she recalls. Yet her determination, curiosity, and willingness to ask questions carried her forward. She sought mentorship, shared her vision widely, and found allies along the way, including a fellow medical provider in Sierra Leone who became both a mentor and a mirror, affirming that she was not alone. Through this, Jocelyn learned one of leadership's greatest truths. No one succeeds alone. Growth, she believes, comes from learning and lifting others. Lessons in leadership and life. Jocelyn's message to women everywhere is deeply personal, yet universally resonant. Embrace balance. We can love our families deeply and still lead in our professions, she says. Women can be both nurturers and leaders. We do not have to choose. Prepare and persevere. Whether entering a new field or leading a new initiative, preparation builds confidence, but adaptability sustains progress. Confront guilt with grace. For many women, leadership comes with internal conflict, especially around family and societal expectations. Jocelyn reminds us that balance, not perfection, is the goal. Lead fearlessly. True leadership, she believes, is not the absence of fear, but the decision to move forward despite it. Jocelyn also reflects on the enduring barriers women face, such as pay gaps, underrepresentation, and the motherhood penalty that often slows advancement. Yet she remains steadfast in her belief that empowered women transforms communities. Every time we dare to do something we thought we couldn't, be it speaking up, applying for a role, starting a project, we expand what is possible for the women who comes after us. Her story is a reminder that leadership does not require perfection or permission. It begins with the courage to act, to learn, and to keep moving forward. Key takeaways from Jocelyn Lee's journey. Build courage through action. Each small step forward strengthens your resilience and expands your possibilities. Seek mentors and allies. Collaboration multiplies impact. Lead with empathy and authenticity. Your story has the power to inspire others to rise. Empowerment is contagious. When one woman dares to lead, she lights the path for many others. In her closing words, Jocelyn Lee captures the spirit of the Virtual Women's Forum. True empowerment is contagious. When one woman dares to rise, she makes it easier for the next woman to do the same. Her story stands as a testament to the power of purpose, perseverance, and passion, a reflection of how one woman's journey can ripple across borders to heal, educate, and inspire countless others.